Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this more peachy eye look that is perfect for spring and summer. So let's get started. So I have my entire face done with makeup already. So we're just going to do the eyes, everything except my lips. And so for a peach eye look, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. So it looks like this. And this palette actually smells like peaches. I don't know how Too Faced does it, but they do. I know that this palette isn't new or anything, but I figured like a peach eye look would be nice for spring and summer, so that's why I'm doing it. I'm gonna go into the shade Peaches and Cream and apply that to my lids. I'm gonna go into the shade Georgia and apply that to my lids and crease. Using the shade Puree, or Puree, I don't know, I'm gonna apply that to my outer corners. So I kind of blended that into my crease as well. And now going into the shade Summer Yum, I'm going to apply that to my outer corners and crease. Going into the shade Charmed I'm Sure and applying that to my outer corners. Now to make this look a little bit more peachy, I'm going to go into the shade Just Peachy and apply that to my lids. Now I'm going to go back into the shade Charmed I'm Sure and apply that over just to help blend the two colors together. Now I'm going to go into the shade Luscious, which is a super pretty and shimmery color, and I'm going to apply that towards my inner corner part of my lid. And also to the inner corner. And now I'm using a clean blending brush to just blend these colors together. So I'm going to go into the shade Charmed I'm Sure and apply that to my lower lash line. And then I'm going to use the shade Luscious again and apply that to my brow bone. And then over that, I'm going to apply the shade White Peach. Then blend it with a clean blending brush. Now I'm going to be using the Tarte Maneater eyeliner and applying that to my lash line and my waterline. I put on my Ardell Lashes, and I actually only put a thin line on top of my lids, and I decided not to do it on my waterline just so that it's more of a spring and summer look, so I did a little bit more of a lighter makeup. If I put the liner down here, it would make the look a lot more darker and intense, so I just left it as is. And I also applied my Maneater mascara. For lips, I wanted to also pick more of a peachy nude color, so I'm going to use this MAC lipstick, which was a collab with Nicki Minaj. So this is in the shade Nicki's Nude, and it's more of a very nude, peachy kind of color. Very pretty, and I'm going to just apply this as my lip color. Okay, so this is the finished look. Do a little close-up for you guys. So that is it for today's video. This is the finished look. I think it's great for spring and summer. Very light, very peachy, more of spring colors. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. And you guys can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, which will all be linked down in the description below, along with all the products that I used in today's video. Be sure to go check out my last videos, which were prom tutorials. One was drugstore, one was more high-end. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!